Jatayu Moksha depicts Karunyam of Sri Rama. Jatayu was an old vulture who helped Rama to find Sita. Jatayu saw Ravana abducting Sita and he heard Sita calling for help. Jatayu did not hesitate to serve her. He did not think that he could save Sita but wanted to serve her. This is because of the power of Ravana. Then immediately Jatayu flew high and fought with Ravana. He tried his best to stop Ravana taking Sita as he wanted to serve Rama. Ravana chopped Jatayu's wings and limbs. Jatayu fell down and he was in a pool of blood on the floor. He was waiting for Rama because he wanted to inform Rama about it. Rama and Lakshmana, they were coming in search of Sita and came across Jatayu, who was finding difficult to breathe. They approached him and talked to him and found out that Jatayu saw Sita taken by Ravana and he fought a heroic battle with Ravana and he got hurt because of Ravana. Rama was in pain after hearing all this. Even while in bad condition, Jatayu pacified Rama and gave him clues for his future plans. Who to approach and who will give him directions to the place where Sita will be. Rama decided to do final rites for Jatayu, like a son does for his father. Jatayu was King Dasaratha's friend. So Rama said, after doing all the final rites, today the loss of Jatayu is more painful than the loss of Sita. Jatayu helped Rama and Sita without any expectation. It was done only with devotion. So the result was he got the darshan of Bhagavan and he got moksha too. There are two Divya Desams connected with Jatayu Moksham. Both are in Tamil Nadu. The one is Tirupakuri. Pul means bird and Kuri is pit. So at Tirupakuri, Rama performed the last rites for the bird in a pit here. So this place came to be known as Tirupulkuri. The main deity in this temple is Vijayaraghava Perumal. Here we find the concerts of Perumal with the faces looked down due to sorrow and they could not bear the heat of the fire. And Perumal's posture reveals that he is holding Jatayu's remains and performing the final rites. The other place connected with Jatayu Moksham is Tirupullam Bodangkudi. This is located near Kumbakonam. The deity here is Valvil Ramar. He is in Bhujanga Sayanam. The funeral was done by Rama and he rested here under Punnai tree. As Sita was not with Rama at that time, Bhuma Devi took the image of Sita and helped Rama to do the final rites. Because a man can do only with the presence of wife. It is believed that those who fail to perform last rites of their parents will get liberation from Pitu Sabam if they visit this temple. So after finishing the ceremony, Rama took rest here. So this Kshetram is called Pullam Kudi. Pullam Bhutam Kudi. The deity is seen with Sangha and Chakram as Sriman Narayanan gave Pratakshanam to Sri Ramar with Sangha and Chakram here.